Turkey shocked the world with drones. Now, it may be preparing to challenge the giants of jet engine technology itself. At Saha 2026 in Istanbul, Turkey unveiled something few expected, a massive new turbofan engine called Guchon. And according to the revealed specifications, this engine could potentially rival the legendary F-135 engine that powers America's F-35 stealth fighter. For decades, building high-thrust fighter jet engines has remained one of the hardest technological achievements on Earth. Only a handful of nations, mainly the United States, Russia, and more recently China, have managed to master this field after decades of research, failures, and billions of dollars in investment. Even advanced European aerospace powers have struggled to cross the 40,000-pound thrust barrier for stealth fighter-class engines. But now, Turkey claims it has done exactly that. The newly revealed Guchon turbofan reportedly produces a staggering 42,000 pounds of afterburning thrust. That places it extremely close to the famous Pratt & Whitney F-135 engine used on the F-35 Lightning II, which generates around 43,000 pounds of thrust. If these numbers are accurate, Turkey could suddenly enter one of the world's most exclusive aerospace clubs. And this is not just about numbers. Because fighter jet engines are considered the crown jewel of military aviation technology, developing one requires mastery over extreme temperature metallurgy, turbine blade engineering, stealth integration, fuel efficiency, and ultra-precise manufacturing. These are technologies that even major powers have struggled to perfect. What made the unveiling even more surprising was the secrecy surrounding the project. Unlike most fighter engine programs that spend years publicly testing prototypes, Guchon appeared almost out of nowhere during the Saha 2026 defense exhibition. No long public flight test campaign. No years of international exposure. According to defense reports, during Saha 2026, the Guchon engine features 42,000 lbf afterburning thrust, 46.5-inch maximum diameter, 420 pounds per second airflow, 0.68 to 1 bypass ratio. These numbers place the engine among the most powerful fighter-class turbofans ever publicly revealed outside the United States. According to Turkish defense officials, 6 engines have already been manufactured, while qualification and calibration tests are scheduled to begin later in 2026. The engine was reportedly developed entirely by the Turkish Ministry of National Defense's R&D Center, using indigenous technologies and domestically produced critical components. And many analysts believe the engine is being positioned as a future power plant for Turkey's indigenous KAAN 5th-generation stealth fighter. The KAAN program itself represents Turkey's ambition to become a full-scale producer of next-generation combat aircraft rather than depending on foreign suppliers. However, there's an interesting twist. Turkey already has another fighter engine project underway, the TF-35000, developed by Turkish Engine Industries and Tremotor under the country's Defense Industry Agency. That means Guchon and TF-35000 are actually separate programs developed by different institutions inside Turkey's defense ecosystem. Some experts believe this reflects Turkey's broader strategy of accelerating indigenous defense development through parallel competition. And Turkey's propulsion ambitions don't stop there. The country is already developing multiple indigenous aerospace engines, including the TF-6000 turbofan for unmanned combat aircraft, the TF-10000 engine for the Bayraktar Kızılelma, the TS-1400 turboshaft engine for helicopters, and several missile and rocket propulsion systems. Step by step, Ankara is building an entire domestic aerospace engine ecosystem. But the real question remains, can Turkey actually operationalize a high-thrust stealth fighter engine at this level? Because history shows that designing the engine is only the beginning. Achieving long-term reliability, durability, combat readiness, and mass production is an entirely different challenge. Even Russia and China required decades to mature their advanced fighter engines. Still, the unveiling of Guchon sends a powerful message. Turkey no longer wants to remain just a buyer of advanced military aircraft. It wants to become a producer of complete next-generation air combat systems. And if Guchon succeeds, the global balance of aerospace power could soon witness the rise of an entirely new player. Thanks for watching the video. What do you think about Turkey's new Guchon engine? Can it truly become a future rival to the F-35's powerful F-135 engine? Or is it still too early to compare? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more videos on military technology, aerospace developments, defense analysis, and next-generation combat systems from around the world. See you in the next video.